Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today we are going to talk about Terraform setup and AWS CLI setup. In the previously video we have talked about what is Terraform, and we have seen about the different things in the Terraform like main.tf file, then we have a configurations file. Today we are going to see about how you can set up a Terraform in your system and start working with the Terraform part. So let's begin this practical, and if someone has not watched about a Terraform basics, I have explained about a Terraform in my previous video. Please go and watch that particular video. Okay, so let's begin with the Terraform setup video. Okay, demo practical. Then we are going to see about the AWS CLI setup. Okay, so first of all you just need to go Google and just click on the Terraform download. Okay, Terraform download. Okay, if you are using Windows, if you are using Linux, anything you can, there are things are available, but right now I'm just downloading for Windows. Okay, so the things has been started installing. It takes just couple of seconds to install, so it's have in the zip file. Okay, so let me tell you, it's still downloading. Let me quickly tell you what is the purpose of the Terraforms. Okay, so Terraform, there is a Terraform provider. Okay, before setting up Terraform, I'm just showing you what is Terraform provider. Okay, the Terraform provider is generally responsible for understanding API interaction with infrastructure such as AWS services, Google and Azure. Okay, so it generally abstract the underlying APIs and exposes resources that Terraform can manage. Okay, then provides translate Terraform configurations into API calls and provide provisions and manages resources, like understanding the API structure with the help of Terraform providers. Okay, so now our Terraform is install. Just double click abstract is Terraform. Let me quickly abstract it to anywhere we can abstract, is depends on Earth. So let me quickly abstract in E as well. So the things has been quickly abstracted. Let me quickly go that particular folder and let me quickly check. Yeah, my Terraform has been there. Let me quickly add this particular folder into to the environmental variable. Okay, so environment variable. So just quickly set up your environmental variable. Go to the path, quickly add it. I think I'm just adding one more new path as a E, because in this path I have a Terraform, so it will contain and it will fetch the Terraform files, and I can access it from anywhere. So let me quickly open my git bash and let me quickly check with the Terraform version. Let me increase the font so it will be visible. Yeah, I think the things are clearly visible and it's fine. So now let me quickly check with the Terraform version, which version they have installed. So just go and click on the Terraform version. They are just taking time. Okay, we are using Terraform version 1.7.4. Right now we are into the E directory. Suppose if you want to open into this particular folder like kubectl folder or download folder anywhere, so we have already set this particular thing into the environmental variable. What does the environmental variable do? Basically environmental variables are like the things if you have downloaded at particular place, and if you add that particular file path into the environmental variable, so it will be accessible from anywhere. Okay, if you are in E, if you are in D, anywhere from any path you can access that particular Terraform. Okay, so this is the one of the core facility provided by the system, and it's always important to add your path into the environmental variable of any, like you have Terraform, you have kubectl, you have anything. Okay, so let me again quickly launch and let me quickly show you one with 2-3 more commands. So let me quickly change with the font size. Okay, so as we have I have told you Terraform version command, and it will show you which version and which Terraform we are using. Then you can use Terraform --help. Okay, so at this help show you different commands available for the extraction of the leads. We have these are the 3 to 4 main commands, like Terraform init. Terraform inits are like basically it will initialize your repository working directory. Okay, then validate, check the whether the configurations files are valid or not. We will create a file as main.tf or something by as extension as a tf, so it validates, check the configurations are right or not. Then plan, it generally show changes required by the current configurations and all this particular part. Then we have apply what it generally creates and updates your infrastructures, like we have applied. If you want to create EC2 machine, so it will first of all validate our configurations are right. If something is missing, and we can go and check over there. Then we have plan, like everything going plan by plan, and it will automatically create your EC2 instance. And if you want to relate, so there's a destroy command, Terraform destroy, and it will destroy your infrastructure like code. Okay, so as such, this is the one of the thing we generally have here Terraform. Now secondly, that is comes about the AWS CLI part. Right now, if you don't have I already have AWS CLI, so let me quickly check AWS hyphen version. So it will show you with the AWS version. I am using this particular AWS CLI version. Okay, and if you don't have, you just quickly go here and just download AWS CLI download for the Windows. Okay, just need to quickly download for them. There's a certain steps available also. So from here, like there are certain commands you can install for Windows. If you want to install for Windows, just click, and or else you can run this particular command onto the Windows, and you can install your AWS for the CLI. Right now I am not showing, we are right now I'm just focusing on the Terraform and those particular part. Okay, so now our first step has been done. Terraform has been successfully configured. Okay, now what the thing, we have to configure our AWS. Okay, in which region we want to install our AWS like EC2 instance and all those particular part. You just need to go to the IAM as a user. Okay, just go into the IAM user, and we just have to create an access key and secret key in that particular region where we have to launch, and we have to give to our AWS CLI. So it will directly connect with our Terraform providers, and it will launch the things for us. So right now I'm just showing the connection. In the next video I will show you how you can create a EC2 instance. Okay, so let me quickly create one more user as a Terraform. We are just providing we are just creating as a custom password, anything. Quickly go to next. We are attaching policies right now. I'm just giving administrative. It depends on us what all those policies you want to give here. I'm just giving as a full access. Just quickly go next, then create users. The user has been created right now. Return to the list, then just quickly open as a Terraform. Now we are quickly going to create access key, private key. We are for the using for the CLI. Okay, then quickly go on to understand. Just give the description, Terraform purpose. It's optional if you want to give or whatever. So we have quickly got the access key and the secret key. Let me quickly configure. So to configure this, we have a command as AWS configure. Okay, so as you enter, it will ask you for the access key and the secret key. So let me quickly copy and let me quickly paste. I'm just quickly stopping. So like I will just show you with those particular part. So this is my access key, secret key, and if I again quickly want through which reason I want to use, let's use AP South 1. Okay, let's use AP South 1. I think, yeah, AP South 1. and we default. Okay, let's use US East one only. US East one default option, nothing. So we have successfully configured our AWS CLI also. Okay, and if you want to check AWS S3 list, like these are the some AWS configure all those particular commands. Okay, we can go to the AWS help command and all those. Let me AWS S3 write me here. Okay, so there's a certain parameters we need to pass. Let me quickly check with the AWS S3 command, AWS CLI S3 commands. Okay, you will get there are the many commands, S3 commands available, and what all those descriptions of what all those parameters you want, they provide us, and we can quickly check. Like suppose they are giving us as a copy, they are giving us a multiple options, and over here it depends on which all those parts we want to use. But right now our the thing has been successfully configured, the Terraform is successfully been running, and Terraform has been downloaded, and AWS also been configured. In the next video we are going to see about how we can launch EC2 instance from the CLI part from the Terraform. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in comment sections, and please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you.